How to search for a filter on Instagram. So you may want to use a filter for your Instagram story or your Instagram Reels. Now to go and search for a particular filter, first open up the Instagram app. You can then click on your profile icon in the top left hand side, and then you can go and create a new story. Now, when you create a story, at the bottom of the page, obviously you'll see all of these different effects. Now, if there's a particular effect that you want to search for, scroll all the way over to the right hand side. You can then click on the search icon. Now click on the search box in the top left hand side, and you can go and search for the effect that you want to use. So for example, I could go and type in grey, and I can use any of these grey effects for my Instagram story. Now, if you don't have this option or you're using Instagram Reels, then what you can do instead is click on the effects icon in the left hand side. You could then click on the search icon just like we did before, and then you can go and search for the effect from here instead. Once you've selected the effect that you want to use, you can now go and take the picture or the video that you want to record using this effect. Now, once you're finished, you'll be able to upload this to your Instagram Reels or story.